Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to start off by apologizing for not uploading any videos this week. I've been very sick. I've been getting very sick this year, and we're only like 2 months in the year. Like, I currently have an ear infection, but I'm on my meds, so I'm feeling good. But it's time to do another unboxing because, you guessed it, I am subscribed to another box. But like I said, I'm unsubscribing to others and subscribing to new ones, so you know, I'm weighing it out. This box is the BEAUTEQUE box. It is the BEAUTEQUE monthly. It is a Korean beauty box. I am really intrigued with Korean beauty and Asian beauty in general. I feel like they're so innovative and they're coming out with the latest beauty products. So when I saw this box was a monthly subscription, I was like, sign me up. I want to see what it's about. I believe this box retails for $24 a month. I could be wrong. And it comes with 5 to 6 products, all full size. And let's get to unboxing it and checking it out. And I also forgot to mention, you guys, if you guys like more videos like these, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this box, and let's start checking it out. I pulled out all the products already because I have tried to unbox this box like 5 times already. I have refilmed this so many times. So you know what, to just get through it quicker, I have the products out in front of me and I'll give you guys the prices and the details on them right now. The first item that I'm pulling out here, it's the Candy O Glow Peel Off Charcoal Mask. And it looks like this. Don't judge my nails, please. But this is what it looks like. And this retails for $9.99. And I think there was a variation. I wanted the blue one, but I'm not tripping. I like charcoal peel off masks. I think the retail is fair, $9.99. I would pay that for one of these. So I'm happy we got these in the box. The next product that we have here, it is a big product. Like, this is huge. Like, this is the size of my head. It's the size of my head. It is a green tea salt body scrub, and this is what it looks like. I'm sorry if the camera does not pick up on it right away, but that is what the body scrub looks like. I really love sea salt body scrub, so I'm excited to receive this. This big old thing retails for $14.99, so I'm excited to try this out, and I'm thinking this is gonna be doing wonders for my skin. Next product that I have here is the Yeon Rosy Lips. It is like a lip balm, and it looks like a little rose. I got in the color like a dusty rose. There was a big variation of colors. I'm not going to open this or swatch it at all. Why? Because I'm not into these that much, and I'm planning on setting this aside for a future giveaway that I will be doing on in my channel later on this year. And the lip balm retails for $12.99. Would I pay $12.99 for a lip balm or a lip tint? Probably not. Next product that I have here in my hands is the My Honey. Everything's in Korean, but it is the My Honey like face sponge trio. This is what it looks like. It looks really cute. That looks like a little latte. This looks super cute. I love getting face sponges because I always run out of them. This one retails for $5. A reasonable price. I would pay $5 for these, and I like how it comes with 3 and they're in different sizes, so they'll work for different parts of my face. The next product that I have here is a face mask. It's called by Balm 2-Step Floral Face Mask, or something like that. I butchered that so bad, I'm sorry. But this is what the face mask looks like. It is nice. I love receiving face masks in my boxes because I am a face mask fanatic, so I will be definitely getting good use out of this. And I believe this face mask retails for $5, so yeah, and I think it's like a 2-in-1, like for your eyes and your face. So that is a good product right there. Last but not least, we have a Proof 10 eye primer from Etude House. It is a waterproof eye primer, like for your eyeshadow. Let me turn it this way. This is what it looks like. And this eye primer retails for $7.99. Okay, $7.99. I feel like this box comes with a lot of good products. This is something that I do see myself using. Out of all of these products, I believe the only one that I'm skipping out on would be the lip balm or lip tint. I want to start setting things away for a giveaway, so that is why I'm setting it to the side. But the other products, I'm definitely going to use, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, and I also forgot to mention that this box has a theme every month. I am unboxing the February box, so this box is centered around chocolates. And the weird thing about the subscription box is that we don't receive it on the month that we subscribe to it. Like, for example, I subscribed to the February box, but I got it sent out at the end of the month, and I read on their page that they do send out their boxes towards the end of every month. So, for example, if you get the January one, you're going to be unboxing it on February. The February on March. It's weird, but I'm okay with it. So that is what is up with that box. To end this video, do I think BEAUTEQUE Monthly is worth it? I definitely do. I think this box is worth it. I will try it out for a couple more months to see how it goes, to see if I'm really going to ride or die for it. But so far, I like everything that I received. Do I recommend it? I do recommend it, and I'm hoping to see some spoilers for next month. But yeah, overall, I do like this box and I do recommend it. I want to thank everybody so much for watching my videos. Please hit that subscribe button, and if you like these videos, please let me know. I just want to unbox everything. I know I'm rambling on for too long now, or is it these meds? Who knows? But yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos, supporting my channel. I want to thank everyone for it. I'm super grateful, and I'm excited for what this year has in store for me. And catch me in the next one, because I will be doing more unboxings. Next one, I believe, will probably be my Ipsy unboxing, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.